Last month, the residents of Chattanooga, Tennessee woke up to news reports that in their community there were planes that had landed overnight that were full of illegal migrant children that were being flown to Chattanooga, were being put on buses and placed around that part of Tennessee into different homes and shelters. Well, this was done with no knowledge to the local officials. The governor had been contacted and asked if they would consider taking some migrant children. They had declined that request. But you know what? The administration did it anyway. And because of these practices, this administration has turned every town into a border town and every state into a border state. They're doing it because the people that are coming are in need of health care, housing, social services, children's services, education. But you do not know that these migrants have been moved to your community until they show up needing these services. Now, Title 42 has been important to keep those that test positive for COVID from coming in. With that gone, then you're going to see COVID positive individuals moved into communities across the country in need of health care. The taxpayers are the ones who are going to bear the burden of this. This border crisis is so out of control, and it is imperative that the Biden administration keep this in place. 160 different countries, different nationalities have presented to the southern border since Joe Biden took the oath of office. Look at what we would be opening our country, our communities, our states to if this is allowed to continue.